Rick. Folks, you're going to watch the years just melt away. The Barrett-Jackson driver's behind the wheel. I'm sure you could join him in the passenger seat.
You know, I was sitting in it yesterday.
So relive your childhood. How cool is this?
You know, once again, I learned to drive on it, took my driver's test, and I got my first fender bender in one of these.
Now, these are not to be confused with the 411, which was a more advanced vehicle with fuel injection. It's kind of an evolution of the Bug. Now, Volkswagen invested a lot in these, but really only made hay for a few years. By 75, they went front-wheel drive, water-cooled, Rabbit, Scirocco. So these were kind of a very brief moment in Volkswagen history.
But what an advance over the Type 1, the Beetle. This was a car that had a usable front and usable storage behind the seats too.
Well, we had a family of 5, and you'd be amazed how many people we could cram in the back into this. For a family car, it was the perfect way to go. And I love the price. Brand new back then, $2,660.
All right, so the big question, Rick, would you want another one?
No, I tell you what, overall it was a great car. I think on pretty much every level. And I've seen a lot of these hot rodded. I think they're great hot rodded. We just kind of lower them, give them a little style. But I think it is a very stylish look for its time. In fact, the Wheeler Dealer guys redid a fastback version of one of these. I think it's going to be able to show this year. So it's pretty cool.
These are air-cooled. The rear quarter panels show the telltale vents where air would have been drawn into the engine bay and blown over the engine to cool the oil.
Good money for a 71 Volkswagen. I think we're getting close here. Sold $18,000. Rick, you can have the car, but there's one aspect of this story you can never reclaim. Let's see this again.
It's time to let it go.
There you go. Well done.
And we all have those pictures in our past. 1971 Volkswagen Squareback.